The Wyze Cam V3 is quickly becoming one of the most popular security cameras on the market, especially for those looking for an affordable yet feature-packed option. With 1080p HD resolution, color night vision, and IP65 weather resistance, this camera offers premium functionality at a budget-friendly price. However, like most DIY systems, ensuring the Wyze Cam V3 performs at its best requires professional installation to eliminate guesswork and avoid common setup issues. At SecureView Security Cameras Tampa, we provide professional Wyze Cam V3 installation services, making sure your camera is placed and configured to give you optimal security coverage. Whether you're securing your home's perimeter, monitoring your front door, or setting up an indoor camera, our team has the expertise to ensure you get the most out of your Wyze Cam V3. Why choose professional Wyze Cam V3 installation in Tampa? While the Wyze Cam V3 is designed to be a DIY camera, professional installation ensures your system is set up perfectly, maximizing its capabilities while saving you time and frustration. Here's why homeowners and business owners in Tampa are choosing SecureView security cameras for their Wyze Cam V3 installations. 1. Perfect camera placement for maximum coverage. One of the most important aspects of a security camera system is its placement. A poorly positioned camera can leave blind spots, missing key areas like doors, windows, or driveways. Our professional installers will conduct a thorough inspection of your property to determine the best locations for your Wyze Cam V3, ensuring full coverage and no missed angles. 2. Weatherproof installation for Tampa's climate. The Wyze Cam V3 is rated for both indoor and outdoor use, with an IP65 weather resistance that can handle rain, heat, and humidity. However, to ensure the camera performs optimally over time, it needs to be properly mounted and sealed. Tampa's heavy rains and high humidity can wear down electronics if not installed correctly. Our team makes sure your camera is fully weatherproofed and protected from the elements, giving you peace of mind even in severe weather conditions. 3. Customized motion detection zones. The Wyze Cam V3 comes with customizable motion detection zones, which allow you to focus on areas of your property that matter most. But setting up these zones can be tricky, especially if you're new to security cameras. Our technicians will help configure these motion zones, ensuring that you're only notified of important activity, like someone approaching your door, while ignoring irrelevant triggers like passing cars or blowing leaves. 4. Wi-Fi optimization for seamless streaming. Because the Wyze Cam V3 relies on a Wi-Fi connection to stream video and send alerts, ensuring your camera has a strong, stable connection is crucial. If the camera is placed too far from your router or if there are obstructions like thick walls, you may experience lag, video buffering, or missed notifications. Our installation team will ensure your camera is placed within range of your Wi-Fi network and suggest extenders if necessary to keep your connection strong. 5. Complete setup and testing. Once your camera is installed, our work doesn't stop there. We handle the full setup of the Wyze app, ensuring that your camera is connected, configured, and ready to go. We'll walk you through how to use the app, set up custom alerts, and view your footage in real time from your smartphone. Before we leave, we'll test everything to ensure your system is working perfectly, so you can start monitoring your property right away. Common DIY mistakes to avoid with professional installation. The Wyze Cam V3 is designed for DIY installation, but many users encounter challenges that can reduce the camera's effectiveness. Here are some common mistakes that our professional installation services can help you avoid. 1. Incorrect camera placement. DIY installers often mount cameras too high or too low, missing important areas. 1. We ensure optimal placement for full coverage of doors, windows, and other entry points. 2. Weak Wi-Fi connections. If your camera is placed too far from your router, you may experience connectivity issues. 2. We'll make sure your Wyze Cam V3 has a strong signal, ensuring smooth, uninterrupted footage. 3. Missed motion alerts. Setting up motion detection zones can be difficult, resulting in either too many false alerts or missed important events. 3. We'll configure the motion zones so you're only alerted to relevant activity. 4. Poor weatherproofing. Tampa's weather can damage improperly installed cameras. 4. Our professional installation includes sealing and mounting the camera securely, ensuring it stays functional even in heavy rain and extreme heat. Why choose SecureView Security Cameras Tampa for your Wyze Cam V3 installation? At SecureView Security Cameras Tampa, we believe in providing top-quality security solutions that fit every budget. The Wyze Cam V3 is an affordable option, but without proper installation, you may not get the protection you need. Here's why our customers trust us with their Wyze Cam V3 installations. 1. Expert installation. Our technicians are experienced with the Wyze Cam V3 system and will install it in a way that maximizes its performance. 2. Local expertise. We understand Tampa's unique challenges, including its climate and the specific security needs of homeowners in the area. 3. Affordable solutions. We offer professional installation at competitive rates, ensuring that even budget-conscious customers can enjoy high-quality security. 4. Ongoing support. After installation, we're here to provide support and maintenance, ensuring your system continues to operate smoothly over time. Get your Wyze Cam V3 professionally installed in Tampa today. Ready to take your home security to the next level with the Wyze Cam V3? Contact us at SecureView Security Cameras Tampa for expert installation services that will ensure your system performs at its best. Call us today at 813-489-9332 or visit www.secureviewcameras.com to schedule your installation. Don't settle for less when it comes to your home safety. Let our team of professionals install your Wyze Cam V3 and give you the peace of mind you deserve.